Okay, XP, Linux, go, go, go. Nice seeing you again, Tommy. I'll catch you next time, mate. You need to tell me all about the first day. Or shall I see you later, Dad? Do you want my bank details? Oh, yeah, that's it at a new level. Did that Wii link work for you? I don't think even Bleach is gonna get that dirt off you, mate. Luna, do you know how to use... Is it... You can use curl, can't you, to send a text file to a paste bin? I don't know the command for that, do you? I'll have to use a good old pal Google for that in a minute. wget paste is the only one I know, but I won't be able to install this from here. What's your thing? I was thinking of a stream idea recently. It would be a tech support stream. It would be for software, only for the moment, basically. I would be helping people with their tech problems. Yeah, I think that's a good thing to try and do. I kind of like the tech questions as well when you've got time to kill. Please save up your tech questions for when we do the live CD building. If you use Gentoo, it's just a use flag away from installing. Looks like it's time to come good on your poll. Lucid's only good in bird law, unfortunately, so he can't help you with things like that. Well, it's only a repo away from being fixed, isn't it? Okay. Right, you're going to build for me on this system. Gentoo fixes all problems. You know what, Lucid? I think that's more computers I have. Control I or Control L? Don't know why I'm going to do this, but I will. Didn't do anything. Let me try it on a... God, I do miss the bloody... Minimise all thing. What has gone on with that? Control L. Don't do anything. Just does a new line. Hey. Oh, that looks pretty nice in black. Ooh. Hey, what? No, what have I done? Don't know what you're doing. Right, let's try that again without exiting on the first attempt. It's actually the background for the thing, so it won't clear the... I'll do a clear in a minute and show you it stays there. Okay, let's see if I can remember how to do this. Optimize for size. That's all right. Oh, I missed these things. Yes. I need that. Do a generic. Don't need that. Don't know if I need that. No, it says Intel, doesn't it? So. It's only because it's in a QM environment, so I believe it'll probably best to use generic on this one. On my system, it's set for my processor. To be honest, that don't really matter. Okay, this is where it gets fun. Don't need PC support. That's a good shout with that. You can actually let me know if distro box is any good. Okay, block devices. I don't need that one, do I? SCSI devices. Good. Right, I need the Intel one. Don't need that one. Keep that one. Keep that one. It's going to be one of those three. Itchy back. Oh. What's the bar over QEM? Where do you mean? What, this one here? And we were talking about earlier on, back in the old day, we used to have a utility called, I think it was boot splash utils or splash utils. And it used to set the boot splash and also put a background on the frame buffer. That is splash utils, is it? Thank you. It was the coolest thing ever, and that's why most of us don't really like Plymouth. Ooh. Can I switch over? Yes, I can. You gonna give me a route? No. Ugh. That's annoying. So I'm probably better off keeping this default then. One of these is going to pick up the driver for internet. Not that it really matters too much. I'll just leave that default. I don't need that though. You don't need that. Don't need that. Let's make sure it's not selected. Input devices. Size is good. Perfect. To be honest, I can disable that. Tablets, don't need. Touchscreen. Oh, actually, touchscreen. No, I don't need it. Let's have some PC speaker. Nice. Does it mention why they dropped it on there? Just why I'm doing this. Do I need any of that? Open sound. Space don't really too much. Oh, really? Well, I suppose it would just need to be static libs though, because it would be in a rid anyway, wouldn't it? I think that's how you pronounce that. Been a long time since I've worked with those. Don't need printer. Don't need that. Keep that. You know what? I do miss doing a kernel back in the old days. It's so much easier to do. Too much hardware support nowadays. I should compile all the XE4 stuff and probably debugging because I feel like I'm going to have an issue with that. I'll keep NFS. It might be helpful. It usually just stays the same. Cryptography. Okay. Save the config. Right, let's see if I can figure out how to send a does Spurge still work? Okay. Let's give it a go. Or do I need Spurge? Let's just try it. Ugh, American bloody keyboard. Fix weird glitches. That's a really helpful one. This. Go, go, go. Ah. Ah. Have I got NC? Oh. Something's happening. Okay, okay. Term bin 8UHU. Was it turnbin.com yet? 8UHU. Hey, hey! Right. Thank you very much. Let's shut you down. It even tells you what it's doing at the bottom. And if it works... Oh, no, it don't work anymore. There used to be one, a more one, that would bring up like a little window in the middle and then show you what was happening. That was pretty cool to show off to people when they turned up at your house. Have you tried that one block sky block thing? That looks quite fun. Okay. Bear with me 2 seconds. Right. Let's fire up the proper QM environment. Yes, yes, yes. Let's go. Ooh. Alright, let's go and watch the boring version boot. Although we do get full tuxes, what more would you want in life, eh? I don't know much about those games, unfortunately. I haven't got enough cores for that. Well, I was talking to someone the other day about how to change the images on them. Seems quite easy to do. Maybe we should do something like that for the Wii. Yeah, sorry, threads, not cores. One day when I get to play with that nice Power 9 machine, I'll be able to play with a few hundred cores. What processor do you have then for 24 cores? Oh, very nice. I didn't know they were 12 cores. Yeah, x86 architecture's only 2 cores. Let's have a look. Got a second one that boots. Was it 56.6? Nope. Yeah, 12 calls. 6 calls and by the looks of things, isn't it? Let's have a look. Yeah, 6 calls, 12 threads. Better than my processor anyway. Okay. wget termbin.com. Excellent. So we move that to that. There we go. Right, so if I'm right, I should now be able to log into here, build the kernel, solve world peace, and probably have chocolate cake for dinner. The closest you get to world peace is a bug closed on the bug tracker. Does me. Why does this remind me of Home Alone? He got a way to go to beat one of our employees that left. He basically got sacked, and I reckon he was on quite a few substances on the night that he got sacked, and wrote a very nice email. One of the funniest things I've ever read in my life. I wish I saved it though, because they deleted it off everyone's email accounts. Devastated. Right, please build. I can't really give details, it's work, innit? But let's just say it was an unfair dismissal, and he had every right. Oh. God damn it. Not me written, sorry, one of the greatest things I've ever read. Okay. I don't think I'm using any modules on this, so I reckon I could probably build this in the live CD and copy it over. Oh. Probably because you watch most of my streams. No. How many did that cost you to highlight the message? Right, so I can send this over. I can maybe compile this on the live CD. Let's think about this. Right, let's boot into the... I know what we do. Yeah. That's HDB temp. Put space in there, boy. There we go. Oh, not squished. Oh, do you want to hear something funny? My wiki guide for this got removed from the main page for being too dangerous. I mean, I don't really well, following it's not really the best advice. Like, it's helpful to certain people, but you know who you are if you're a certain person. I would ask your mother permission. You also need to put your credit card details in as well. I'll just quickly load up a little form for you to put them into. Don't forget the numbers on the back as well. I'll take check, it's fine. I'm gonna have a great day when I can finally cash out on Twitch and eat all those meal deals. Oh, no thank you very much. No feet pics here. I think it's $50 now. It used to be $100, but I think they dropped it to 50. Put it this way, it'll be a fair few years before I get anywhere near that. I didn't know you stream, Tommy. What do you do? Don't forget that's ooh, very nice. I would have liked to watch some of those poker streams, but then again I'll probably get back into gambling. It's not bad. And I'm sorry, Luna. Don't forget it's after Twitch is cut. God, this is like one of the worst workarounds I've ever had to do to try and build a kernel. Why do I do silly projects like these? Okay, here we go. No, I just find these projects fun, Tommy, to be fair. It's missing a symbol in the header. That sounds like me last night, Mitzi. Minus the pizza. Right, sorry about that. Just messaging a friend. Mitzi summertime. The only cod I like's on a fish finger. I like shooting people online. Just get yourself an NRA membership, you'll be fine. Right, it's dropped a show again, so that was open launcher. God, this is slow as dick. Cheers, Tommy. I'll hopefully be able to catch one of them. I'll make sure to follow you. If I forget, because I'm... Oh, where's my mouse? There we go. Right, run command. Come on. Well, I'll give that a second. Right, come on. I think it's still just loading its stuff. This is worse than Windows. I forget how good Linux is nowadays. This is the live CD. There we go. So we're having a bit of drama trying to get the kernel to build. So I'm trying to find a hacky workaround. Don't worry, I'll make it pretty for you. God, he's such a pretty boy, isn't you? It's beautiful. Yeah, it's KDE. It's always sucky, isn't it? Instantly loses half his viewers. Right, there you go. Back to some nice terminal for you. Right, makefs.exe3 /dev SDA, no, SDB. You'd think after all these years I'd know how to set up a partition before I start. Right, boot, boot, boot. Okay, quit. Makefs.exe3. I love it. You can't say anything about Arch on that place without someone taking offence, even if it's true. I mean, don't get me wrong, it is a good distribution, but at least admit there's flaws in it as well. Okay, CD. No, I need a mount. No, they won't, because it only affected a small number of people. And to be honest, the bug only really existed because Arch makes it easier for its users by automatically running the update command. It doesn't bother most distros like Gentoo because you have to do it manually afterwards. Right, so now I need to download that kernel again, which was here. And I go to here, copy that over, so that will be wget www dot no mirrors Linux kernel /2.6.39 tar.bz. Because I forgot Linux. You know what's going to happen, don't you? I'm going to have to install a crappy old version of Gentoo to be able to build this. Or even worse, I might have to install an old version of Debian. Just because it'd be quicker. Right, let's double check that. Mirrors.edge.kernel.org hub Linux kernel what have I done wrong? Let's write it again. I've downloaded the BZ2 file. I see it. Added 2. Right, so that's that done. Let's unmount that, extract that. Go, go, go. Okay. Sounds like a routing issue going on there. Oh, I hope I don't need to install Debian just to fix this kernel, but I feel like I'm going to have to. Have you got a device on the network with two two IPs matching? Might need to flush your ARPs. You can use wine for spin and go though. I used to use it. I mean, it's been a couple of years, but yeah, the old one used to work all right. React OS. I'm not sure about that client. I've never heard of it. Didn't even know there was third-party clients. Or even wine staging might be a good bet as well. Oh really? PokerStars isn't the biggest anymore. Well, things have definitely changed since I was last involved. Not that I'm getting back into it. I don't need to hear things like that though. Yeah, let's do a poll. Right, here we go. Alright, I'll give you 2 minutes before we try this one. Oh god. Okay. See if Mitzi can waste some of them things. Straight on the nose. Oh. It's like you like watch my streams before and know it never works first time. Got someone in there with the 10. Right. Nearly coming to an end, so and get your butts in now. Okay. Let us see. Just a default driver. I'm not doing any newfangled fancy pass through with this setup. You bet everything. Oh god. You know what I should have done, though? Copied over the config. Well done, Strimmer. Here we go. Just the one. If it doesn't work... Oh, hello. Hello. Luna's lost again. Looks like it's working. First time she bets against me. And it's just... I feel like the thing you need to do is just bet opposite to Luna every time. No, you're right. You're right. It's early days. But things are looking good. We're further than we were before. This is the most exciting I've ever done. That person who bet 10's in for a good day. Oh no! What? Let's see. No, no, it might let me still build it. What? What? What error message is this? What do you mean it doesn't support? What am I running here? Have I booted into... Oh no, it's not gonna let me. Oh. Yeah, I'm on a AMD 64 target running on a bloody x86 user land. No. God damn it. Luna wins. Sad days. Okay, so a little bit of Debian it is then. How do I do predictions from here? 99%. How much did you make? £10. Well, could you imagine if that worked? That would have been the best 10 points you've ever spent in your life. Right. Debian Jesse ISO. Okay, we download that. I'll create a thing. All right, QEM image. Come on.